Okay, so I'm getting ready for an upcoming upcycle class this Sunday at the house, and doing a couple of practice runs here. So this one, I just love how it turned. I love them both, but this one is particularly good. I love this Carhartt shirt so much, I almost didn't want to cut into it. It's like perfection. It's like $7 at Goodwill. So I added a hood from a perfectly good hoodie that no one was wearing that I made for Nurture. And I took the Nurture bubble writing piece and I just, stitched it on, and it's nice and stretchy, so that won't change my movement at all. And then I did not want to cut very much of this shirt. It was so perfect. So I just simply sewed the ends of the sweatshirt sleeves to the inside of this, which I thought would be so comfortable. Because honestly, I don't like messing with the buttons anyway, so I'm just going to fold those up when I wear it. And best part, I just cut a little triangle out of the, get your shapes right, rectangle, and put the kangaroo pocket from the same sweatshirt. And I just made sure that the shape was how I liked it before I sewed. And make sure that this is really even on the top. And I also left a little tiny bit of room for this to fray. So that's going to be adorable, I think, once we get it washed a few times. So cozy. Actually, I would wear this a lot more than I would wear just a Carhartt's plain old men's shirt anyway. So you slip it over your head. You can button it or unbutton it, kind of like a little jacket. Fun. This is the side view. It kind of goes down in the back. Adorable. Sweet Orama. Very This fun. One's cool too. I found a Lucky Brand flannel in perfect condition. It's a lot finer weight than the Carhartts one, so that's just a different feel. I took some of the sleeves off and made little ruffles that are going to get all frayed and cute. And I did them so that the seam's exposed on purpose. Same with this guy right here, so that'll get all cute and fuzzy. And then just like it looks, I just cut straight up and down on there, and then added an old sweatshirt, different hood from a different sweatshirt. I think it's cozy and cute. I'd wear that definitely to the beach or something fun. Just ideas.